guys, here is the current state of things. I've got the sump installed under the tank, finally. The pump's wired, my speed control is installed, but not yet tested. I've got some LED lighting that I picked up from IKEA like 10 years ago or so, probably. The heater is in. There will be another one on the other side. Probably not until fall or winter, though, because I only need to raise the tank temperature 3 or 4 degrees above ambient during, well, summer and the early part of fall. The house stays pretty warm. The little bit of cycle media that I keep handy is in. I'm going to fill the center chamber with water to keep the little bugs alive and happy. I did just check the tap water. There's no chlorine or chloramine. So I can fill this straight from the hose, which is nice. I really hate carrying buckets. All the return hoses are in place in the return chamber. The two that are a little short are going to end up being plumbed a little differently, but for now they're just fine. Other than that, I've got to plug a few things in, get some water in here, and then we can start moving. So there it is, folks. I've got a sponge filter in here right now to keep the beneficial bacteria alive and happy. Hopefully I can get the return manifold built and the main tank filled tomorrow. Then I've got to tune the sump, and then we can start adding fish.